This cordless vacuum has been really practical for quick everyday cleaning around the house. One of the first things I like is how lightweight it feels. It's easy to handle with one hand, and I can move it around furniture or under shelves without feeling like I'm dragging something heavy around. Another thing I really like is that it doesn't come with a million separate pieces you have to keep switching. The brush is already built in, so if I need it, I just slide it down. And if I want to use it as a handheld vacuum for stairs, corners, or the car, I just switch to the shorter attachment. I also like that it has different suction modes depending on what I'm cleaning. And the green light is actually useful because it helps show dust and debris that I probably wouldn't notice otherwise. The head moves really well too, so it gets under furniture and around tagged spot pretty easily. When I'm done emptying, it is simple with one click. And I like that the filter and brush roll are easy to remove and clean if hair or debris gets stuck. Overall, I think it's a really convenient cordless vacuum for everyday use.